A runner is a special stem. It carries water and nutrients from the mother plant until the new plant grows strong enough to survive on its own.
Plants have mastered the art of expansion. They propagate through specialized structures, extending runners and roots to claim new ground, creating vibrant, interconnected colonies. A year ago, there was only one spider plant growing here. No new plants were bought. No one planted anything else. This single plant has become a family of many plants. How did this happen? How did this happen?
Same amazing strategy. Their runners spread across the ground, producing new plants wherever they touch the soil.
Even dewgrass multiplies naturally. Its creeping stems root wherever they touch the ground, covering the area with fresh green growth.
Mint quietly spreads underground. Hidden stems grow beneath the soil and send up fresh shoots, allowing one plant to become dozens over time.